Hey yo, what's going on guys? It's Jake. We are back with a brand new video. And in today's episode, as you can no doubt tell by the surroundings that I'm in, as well as the thumbnail, we are going to be doing another unboxing. Except this time we have something a little bit different than our mainstream dinosaur stuff. But it isn't a Lego. So yeah, we're back. We're still doing Lego stuff. But it is a little bit more sophisticated and similar to the Lego Batman cowl that you can see right down here, right with my footies. That's what that is. So, oh my god, that's terrifying. Oh, I just realized, if you look closely in the screen, you can see the white. Oh my god, that's terrifying. Okay. Well, as opposed to like usual, but if you're looking away, oh my god, that's kind of creepy, not gonna lie. That's why Batman's awesome. But yeah, we have something, it's a Lego Architect. So, you can kind of see it right here. I don't know if you can make out what that is, but it is New York City. That's right, we have the Big Apple. We've got the city that never sleeps. What other analogies are called this? NYC. That's its acronym. Yeah, but we have Lego New York City. I got this. I got this in New York and in the Empire State Building. So that's interesting, isn't it? Of course, though, as per usual, I am short on time again. The Lego Jurassic World Dominion Quetzalcoatlus set is just being uploaded as I'm recording this video. So, this set it's rated for 12 and up, and it has 598 pieces. It is set 201028. I'll do more, because it's an architect, it's for older people. I'll do, oh my god, it's like a hurricane out there. I'll do more in-depth detail on everything around it. Obviously, it's in the United States. I don't think there's any other New York place around the world. It's got the Freedom Tower, the Chrysler Building, One World Trade Center is apparently what they call the Freedom Tower. It's got the Flatiron Building, obviously the Empire State, and it comes with the Statue of Liberty. It is approximately 10 inches in length and 10 inches in height. So yeah. It does have something on the back, so let's read this. With over 200 buildings, over 492 feet tall, New York City's iconic skyline combines classic 20th century skyscrapers with modern futuristic towers and enjoys some of the most memorable views in the world. Comporten plus de 200 batimentes, huertas de plus de 150 la Ville de New York. I'm gonna stop right there. Con más de 200 edificios de más de 150 meters de altura. Okay, that's enough of that. I'll stop butchering Spanish and Portuguese, maybe? I don't know. Okay, so let's open the books. That knife seam was going to be cooler until I lost my grip. And remember, kids, always cut towards yourself. Don't actually do that. I don't want to get sued. Okay, this is a lot less threatening than I thought it would be. So we have this bag. That bag. These. Oh, that's the Statue of Liberty. These. And this one. It also comes with an advert. Fantastic. It comes with an advert for... Oh, that's not the White House. What is that? Where's the English? I don't know what that is. But wait, we don't need that. Okay, apparently we do need that. I put it in the bin. Okay, Jesus Christ. Bloody hell, look at this. This is a thick boy. It's a thick boy. Oh, the back is cool. Yeah. So, let's start the time lapse. I want to say though that this might be a longer. I'm watching TV. Something funny just happened. This might be a bit of a longer build, considering the fact that I have never properly done Lego Technics. Oh, that's cool. It gives you where the hell's the English version? There we go. I'll read this after. Or I can put it in during time lapse because it's gonna be one long ass time lapse. I can tell you right now, this is gonna take me a while. But yeah, I'll definitely read it. Yeah. So I think it's time that I skip to where the hell is Legos? Bugger off, man! Where's the instructions? There we go. Oh, piss off, man. Okay, so this is bullshit. Then there's the rest. Bloody hell. Yeah. Oh no. Oh, I've made a grave error. It doesn't tell you where to put any of them. Oh no. I've made a mistake. It doesn't tell you where to put any of it. Oh no. This is not good. We're gonna do a time lapse in a different spot because I don't have enough room on the bloody table. Oh no. I made a grave error. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Bye-bye.
While building this Lego set, I will be reading over just a couple of facts that you are given in the instruction booklet. Standing on Liberty Island at the entrance to New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty was a welcoming signal to millions of immigrants and a symbol of freedom and democracy in the United States. Designed by the French sculptor Frederick Augustus Barthold and given as a gift to the United States from the people of France, the robed female figure represented the Roman goddess Libertas. In one hand, she holds a raised torch, and in the other, she holds a tablet inscribed with the date of the American Declaration of Independence, July 4th, 1776. As the main building of the World Trade Center complex, the new World Trade Center Tower stands as both a shining beacon for the downtown businesses direct and a bold addition to the New York skyline. The building was completed in May of 2013 when the final section of the 408-foot spire was installed.
Okay, so we are back. It is the second day, so it's a brand new day. That's why I'm wearing a new shirt. But yeah, we have the model of New York City here. And let's just quickly do a run through of what we got. I'll do close-ups and everything again like I did last time. So the first thing, and I think it's the smallest thing, not by much, is the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty, they actually did it really cool. I like how they did the water around it. But what the coolest thing is that Statue of Liberty itself is just like a little minifigure. Be cool if they give it a new mold in the standardized minifigure position, but they didn't. So now let's move on to the the Flatiron Building, right here. The Flatiron Building is famous for its role in the Spider-Man movies as Daily Bugle.
Spider-Man and the Green Goblin. The Green Goblin, you like that?
Mr. Jameson.
Made it up myself. These weirdos all gotta have a name now.
Moving on to, next we have the Chrysler Building, which is the all-white. Then we have the second tallest building and previously tallest building in the world until, I want to say late 1980s. Does that sound right? It's
probably not right. I'll put in the correct date anyway. We have the Empire State Building. I was in this building not too long ago. So yeah, I was in, and I went to go see the Statue of Liberty. I was around the Chrysler the Flatiron Building. Never been in the Chrysler Building. Kind of want to do that. Next, we have the new World Trade Center, which was erected shortly after the incident that occurred in September in 2001. It is also known as the Freedom Tower, and it is the tallest building in New York City, in Manhattan. I think it is the tallest building in the state of New York. It is the World Trade Center, but unlike, sorry, there's a hair in the Lego. Unlike the real-life Freedom Tower, where all these blue pieces, those are glass in real life. Like there's a lot of windows in the Freedom Tower. I was in the Freedom Tower when I went originally to New York back in 2018. I was not a YouTuber back then, so I did not record anything. I did see the 9/11 memorial, and this is pretty close to that memorial. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the Empire State Building. I don't know how accurate this is, but I know it is pretty much bigger by a good portion, because when I was in the Empire State Building and you go up to the top floor, and right where my finger is, there's like a balcony. And what's cool about that is that when I saw the Freedom Tower, it was like, you could tell it was bigger, much taller, much bigger than the Empire State Building. At the top of the Empire State Building, there's like, I want to say 80 something, maybe 100 something floors. I think it is just a little under 100. This one I think has more than 100 floors, but I'm not 100% sure. Obviously, it looks like there is under 100 and over 100, but then you have the Chrysler Building, that looks like an off-brand Eiffel Tower. It doesn't look like this in real life. The Chrysler Building, the Chrysler Building is probably the one that is the least accurate out of all of them. I mean, the Flatiron Building is literally like, here, I pull it out. It's literally this. They didn't put much effort into the design of the Flatiron. Like, they didn't even look at that. It looks like a freaking ladder, but it's actually pretty satisfying to look at. It kind of looks like, if you like the way like hornets' nests look, it kind of looks like one of those. But they didn't really put that much effort into the Flatiron Building. Statue of Liberty, they put a lot of effort in. The Freedom Tower, oh my god, let me just, if I can pull this out real quickly. Jesus. Freedom Tower, they put a lot of effort in. Look at that. Look at this. This thing is absolutely massive. And like, it's huge. It's bigger than me. But yeah, this thing is pretty tall. The unboxing knife is actually shorter than this. But this is huge. I don't think can I take out the Empire State Building? I can't take out the Chrysler Building. I know I can't do that, but I think I can take out the Empire State Building. Yeah, I sort of can. Yeah, hold up. Yeah, this is a massive difference between these two. So, Lego Architect. If it'll get back in, I'd give it a review. I would recommend it if you have the patience and the right location. If we get something like this in the future, we will not be unboxing it up here. If we do get something like this in the future, and I guarantee you we will, because I want to do the full Statue of Liberty. It's one like this big. But if we do, and when we do, we will not be doing it in this location because they don't have bag numbers, which means you have to dump all of the pieces out. Now, the floor that I'm currently operating on, and you can kind of see, pieces get lost on this floor, and I have this table. It's like a small coffee table. I got no room for a Lego set this big on it, especially without bag numbers. Now, if it's any other set, because it has bag numbers, yes, but Lego Technics, Lego Architects, things like that, in the future, we'll be doing it in the old unboxing location, which is downstairs from where my current location is. Furthermore, I'd like to say I highly recommend these sets but you gotta have patience. The time lapse is probably gonna be the longest time lapse we will ever do up until now, and probably for a fairly decent foreseeable future. I did notice though that my Lego building skills did improve, because towards the end of this build I was able to quickly find most of the pieces. However, there is a portion in this video where I actually think I lost a piece, but it turns out I was just stupid and was looking for the wrong piece. Yeah, it was actually on the Chrysler building. There's a piece, right, you know, like those the one stud bricks, you know how there's like the flattened version with no stud on it. I was looking for one of those and I thought it was one of the glass ones, but it turned out it wasn't. So also, another thing to mention, I don't know if it'll actually be up on camera, and I don't think I can zoom into it, and I really don't feel like picking this thing up. It tells you right here, New York City, which is really nice. So yeah, and hopefully during the time lapse, when I'm doing that, I'll put in some facts, or I'll read the instruction booklet, because it does actually give you in the beginning like a lot of stuff about New York City. So as I'm building them, maybe I'll go through and read them. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end it here. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, consider subscribing, click the bell to get notifications on when the latest video comes out. Leave a comment saying hi, or if I've asked you to comment anything during this video. And I will see you guys all later in another video. Bye-bye.